What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how I made these Kobe Bryant nails. I kept them really simple, no bling, just the design. Starting off with the XL stiletto nail. Per usual, I'm just removing the pinkies because I'm doing something different to those. The rest of the nails, I'm just going to cover them in white nail polish. This is the Beatles polish. Alright, I'm going to pop these in the dryer and we're going to go start working on the pinky nails. Per usual, I started off, I had a plan, but things went completely left and I did the total opposite. I'm flipping these over because I'm putting a gold encapsulation underneath. I'm using nail foil glue to glue the foil on, and then I'm just going to go in with a couple coats of top coat and then cure it. If done correctly, your nail should be smooth underneath, and I'm just showing you what it looks like from the top. Alright, now we're going to get into the water slide decals. I made these decals, you can find them in my shop, katoribeautycontact, and I'm just showing you all of them. So now I'm just going to go through and start applying my water slide decals. I've done this so many times in previous videos. If you want to see how I do it, how long I dip the water and all that, I can link a previous video down below. Okay, now I'm just showing you that hand and everything. I have all my water slide decals on. And yeah, I'm going to go on to the next hand. Okay, this hand was my favorite, especially the thumb, because I was able to place his entire family on there, his wife and children. And now I'm just gonna go on and file off the excess water slide decal. This part is sped up. And you're gonna also see that I ended up removing 2 decals, but because I felt like it was making the nails too full, like it was just too many pictures. Okay, now I'm just applying top coat, and you see I removed those 2 pictures and they're now just white nails. I'm gonna be doing the design after I finish this top coat. Alright, now we're just gonna move on to the white nails. I'm just writing Kobe on one and I'm writing Mamba on the other one. And I'm using these gold nail stickers because they match the gold on the pinky. Now I'm just going in with a nice top coat. I'm going to cure these and then these nails will be all done. Alright, now my set is complete. These are the Kobe nails. I love them so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.